World War I, the Great War, a conflict that pitted nation against nation, brother against brother, in a brutal struggle of power and dominance. I'm Sean Joshua, and in this video, we'll explore the key events, the pivotal figures, and the devastating consequences of this global catastrophe. In the early morning of June 28, 1914, the streets of Sarajevo were filled with excitement as people gathered to see Archduke Franz Ferdinand, heir to the Austro-Hungarian throne. However, the day took a dark turn when young Serbian nationalist Gavrilo Princip assassinated Archduke and his wife. This single event ignited a chain reaction that led to World War I. By August 1914, Europe was divided into two opposing alliances: the Allied powers, led by Britain, France, and Russia, and the Central powers, led by Germany, Austro-Hungary, and Ottoman Empire. Germany launched the Schiefland Plan, aiming to quickly defeat France before turning to fight Russia. German troops invaded Belgium, drawing Britain into the war. The war quickly spread, involving nations across the world. By 1915, the war had turned into a brutal stalemate along the Western Front, stretching from the North Sea to Switzerland. Soldiers on both sides dug trenches where they faced disease, mud, and constant bombardment. Major battles like Verdun and the Somme resulted in massive casualties but little territorial gain. Meanwhile, the war was also fought in the seas and skies. Germany used U-boats or submarines to attack Allied supply ships. In 1915, a German submarine sunk the British passenger ship Lusitania, killing over 1,000 civilians, including Americans. This act increased tensions between Germany and the United States. Airplanes were used for reconnaissance and later evolved into deadly fighter planes. The famous German pilot Manfred von Richthofen, known as the Red Baron, became a legend in the aerial combat during this time. In 1917, two key events changed the course of the war. Number one is Germany resumed unrestricted submarine warfare, sinking American ships, and the second one is the Zimmermann telegram that was intercepted, where Germany tried to persuade Mexico to join the war against the United States. As a result, in April 1917, the United States declared war on Germany, bringing fresh troops and resources to the exhausted Allies. By 1918, the Central powers were struggling. The German spring offensive failed, and the Allies launched a counterattack known as the 100 Days Offensive. Germany's allies, Bulgaria, the Ottoman Empire, and Austro-Hungary began to surrender. Finally, on November 11, 1918, Germany signed an armistice ending the war. In 1919, world leaders gathered to sign the Treaty of Versailles, where Germany was blamed for the war, forced to pay massive reparations, and took away their territories and limited its military. However, the harsh terms of the treaty created deep resentment in Germany, setting the stage for the World War II 2 decades later. World War I was one of the deadliest conflicts in history, causing the deaths of over 16 million people. It changed warfare, destroyed empires, and reshaped global politics. Though it was called the war to end all wars, it was only the beginning of greater conflicts in the 20th century.